marami kayong nagtatanong anywhere, qualified ba kayo sa pagkuha ng e-sticker visa?
You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Hello guys! So welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, isi-share ko lang sa inyo guys ang requirements sa pag-apply ng Turkish visa galing sa Taiwan. But before we start, please don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be updated in my next video. Malay ninyo, ang susunod kong video ay para sa inyo. So ito guys, ang video na to at ang requirements na to ay galing sa isa nating friend na nag-apply ng Turkish visa from Taiwan. So, ito guys, ang sinend niya sa akin na mga requirements at ang sinabi ng Turkish Embassy sa kanya from Taiwan. So, ito guys ay, ano ba tawag dito? Nag-message siya sa akin kung mayroon akong mga experience na galing sa Taiwan na mga nagtatanong din sa akin. Anyway guys, marami kayong nagtatanong anywhere, Taiwan, Japan, and Saudi, Macau, like almost people guys, Australia, almost all over the country, nagtatanong sa akin about this. But for the another country, like for example, US, and another country na hindi, ano tawag dito, yung mga US, Australia, may mga European, may mga Schengen visa na guys. So, they can only apply e-sticker visa. So, sa Taiwan naman guys, pag Filipino passport ka, so of course, you need to apply manually sticker visa sa Turkish Embassy. Pero pag another passport kayo, please check out their website, www.evisa.com. Sa sticker visa yan guys, sa sticker visa yan. Kung ano ba kayo, kung ano ba tawag dito, kung qualified ba kayo sa pagkuha ng e-sticker visa. So, ito guys kasi pag Filipino passport ka, of course guys, hindi tayo ano tawag dito ng qualified sa pagkuha ng e-sticker visa. Ayan, si baby, ginaganyan-ganyan niya guys yung ilaw ko. Kaya makita nyo, may kamay na gumaganon-ganon. Ayan, ang kulit-kulit niya talaga. Ashkan, don't do that. So, ito guys, basahin ko guys ang kanyang letter. But before that guys, I would like to say thank you so much Cici sa pag-forward dito sa akin. You know guys, this is mean a lot to me dahil marami tayong matutulungan na mga kababayan natin na mag-apply mula from Taiwan. So, ito talaga guys ay kumbaga I'm the only way na maipahatid sa buong mundo, sa buong mundo, ang mga ganitong requirements, ang mga ganitong video, experience and vlogs. Kasi guys, marami talaga ang nangangailangan nito. So, I am the only way, pero kayo talaga ang gumawa ng, ano tawag dito, yung credit sa inyo ang good deeds na to dahil nanggaling din ito sa inyo. So, kumbaga, this is a big help to others na nangangailangan ng mga information about this. So, kung sino guys pa in another country guys na may mga list of requirements kayo, please let me know para na ma-share din natin guys sa iba nangangailangan din ng information na to. Just think about that. We can help each other. We can help our fellow Filipinos sa mga gustong pumunta dito sa Turkey. Ayan. So, thank you so much, Cici. And I will always pray for your more blessings to come to you. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you so much for sharing this information. Ayan. Ito guys, babasahin ko. Sabi niya doon is ng Turkish office in Taipei. Sabi niya, so, dear applicant, according to visa regulations of Turkey, you could check below website if you're qualified to apply for an e-visa. So, ito guys, ang sinasabi ko guys na pwede kayo i-check nyo ang inyong, i-check nyo yung website na to, www.evisa.gov.tr if qualified kayo sa e-visa, pwede kayo mag-apply online. Pero pag Filipino passport ka guys, then wala kang Schengen visa, wala kang US visa, so you need to apply sticker visa talaga. Pero kung Filipino passport ka, meron kang Schengen visa at saka meron kang US visa, you can apply e-visa or e-visa or electronic visa. So, ito guys, if you do not meet the requirements of e-visa for the normal procedure, you should visit our office to apply sticker visa, and it may take around few weeks for the processing time since you officially get your application with all the supporting documents. Before coming to visit our office for sticker visa, please make e-appointment via www.visa.gov.tr first. The application form will be created at the same time. Then, bring the completed application form with the needed documents in person for the submission. Below is for your information, but still need to follow the required documents which online appointment asks. Ayan. Yan guys, ang sabi niya guys. And then, ito na guys. So single entry visa, number 1, original passport with validity at least 6 months when entering ID card, student's card, if. And then, number 2, 50 mm color photograph taken within the 6 months and application form. Ayan guys, so dito guys, original passport with validity at least 6 months guys, kailangan valid siya. Passport niyo valid pa siya within 6 months. And then kung meron kayong ID card or kaya student card, yan, so i-forward din ninyo. And then meron kayong color na photograph taken within 6 months and application form. So dapat ang inyong picture 6 months fresh pa siya within 6 months. So, more than 6 months na picture, hindi na siya pwede. So, number 3, insurance for traveling. So, you need an insurance. So, number 4, travel itinerary. So, it means dito guys, ang travel itinerary, dapat ito back and forth to siya kasi tourist visa, no? Dapat back and forth. And then, air ticket booking information. So, number 5, air ticket booking information. It means yung ticket book na nakabook ninyo, may information siya like information, may information siya like, for example, kung kailan ang flight ninyo na, please, don't move my table. Sinisipa na naman yung lamesa ko. Ang hirap talaga guys mag-vlog pag may bata, grabe, hindi talaga matuloy-tuloy. Ayan, so sana tayo. So, air ticket booking information. Yung information guys, ng booking ticket ninyo. For example, from the date, time, kung saan kayo kung mayroon kayong, kung mayroon kayong stopover, or kung direct flight man kayo. Ayan, so, information niya kung kailan kayo mag-flight guys, no? Ayan, ang air ticket booking information. So, number 6, hotel booking or accommodation information. So, kung kung mag-travel kayo, kailangan niyo ng hotel booking or accommodation information. Like, for example, magpa-reserve kayo ng magpa-book kayo ng hotel reservation ninyo dito sa Turkey. At saka, kung nakitira din naman kayo kay friendship ninyo, so, kung ang rent, kung nagre-rent, so, rent contract. And then, kung house-owned, so, yung house title ng bahay. So, documents of financial capacity. So, dito tayo guys sa documents of financial capacity, which is yung statement of bank account kung kaya mo ba mag-travel and mag-spend ng bonggang-bonggang pera dito sa Turkey. Kasi alam nyo guys, ang mahal ito sa Turkey guys. Europe standard. So, ayan guys, so ang inyong financial capacity statement o bank account, bank of certificate. And then number 8, certificate of returning back. So the certificate of returning back, example, certificate of studentship, certificate of employment. So, ito guys, sa pagbalik ninyo guys, kailangan may certificate kayo sa pagbalik. For example, kung nag-work ka, so yung employment certificate mo, kung ikaw naman ay nag-study, so yung school certificate mo. So, depende sa'yo kung anong meron kang hawak dito. Ayan. So, number 9, if there are other documents required, we'll contact you directly. So, ito guys, kung may another, ano tawag dito, requirements pa na required na kailangan nila, kukontakin ka rin naman nila. So, number 10, single entry nila guys, NT 1,850 sa Taiwan money to guys. So, best regards Turkish Trade Office in Taipei. Ayan. So, para ma-confirm niyo guys, i-email din niyo guys, no? Yung ano nila, yung ano tawag dito, yung email nila sa Turkish Trade Office in Taipei. Ayan. So, ano ba to? Ayan. Turkish office in Taipei. So, bali guys, i-post ko lang ito guys sa aking screen para na ma-follow ninyo yung mga pinagsasabi ko na naman dito. So, ayan guys, thank you so much for watching my videos and I hope na nakalearn kayo dito sa vlog na to, sa mga gusto mag-travel dito sa Turkey at sa mga may mga idea guys about sa mga requirements in any country. Please, if you want, you can share it to me para na share din natin ang information sa ating mga fellows Filipino kababayan na gusto na pumunta dito sa Turkey galing from another country. Yan. Thank you so much and God bless everyone. So, if you are new in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be updated in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye and God bless all. Ay, nako. Ayan, guys. Sorry, pasensya na kayo, guys. Ang medyo naguyog-uyog ng aking mga lamesa all the time. Kasi si baby nga, guys. Si baby nga, look. Look, ang aking kulit. Hey! Love ni Mama.
Mama.
Yes, ayan, guys. Ang dahilan ng pag-earthquake ng table ko lagi. Ayan. Bye-bye!
Uh-oh.